is not a good sign. So the gelatin went out of the pan because I don't have the proper tool for the ring. So it was a failure. I didn't have the right tool for the for the for the gelatin thing. I don't have the tool for that. The round thing, the ring. So the gelatin, when you pour it, gonna lock in there and it's gonna go everywhere. It was a mess. Why are you here? Why?
I'm here to test the cake.
So anyway, ask me if I'm gonna do it again. I don't think I'm gonna do it again if I don't have
I'm a cake tester.
the right tool. So, but looks good, looks delicious. Let's try it. Wow. Great, honey. Talk to them. Wow, I'm taking a picture. Talk to them. Honey.
I'm sitting here by this cake that we are about to eat. There's a cake stealer in the area.
Okay. Look at this.
Look at it. Just look at it.
How was it? Not bad. So, the taste is very, very good. The
cake stealer.
I don't think it is a failure. What do you think?
I don't think it's a failure.
It's beautiful and we're gonna enjoy it.
No.
So,
Mr. Cake Stealer.
we're gonna have dinner, but we had this first, the dessert first. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you again next time. If you want to try this, try it. And it's hard, but it's stressful.
It's even harder
But it's
if you do it
delicious.
while you're standing on your head.
So, how would you rate it?
Very good. I rate it very good.
Good. Okay, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Now the cake stealer's